1981 Chevrolet Camaro. You are going to see that it is badged up in a couple areas with some Z28 badging. Not representing this one as an original Z, but 81 Camaro. As you can see, beautiful paint on this one, kind of a bright blue metallic, I guess, if you will. And paint shows very well. You can get right on top of this, you can see reflection coming off of it. Does not look like that old of a paint job. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 turbo 400 automatic transmission paired up with that power steering, power brakes. We'll let you check out the engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run here at the end of the video. Now, if you want to check out the underside of this vehicle, check out the underside pics. Looks clean underneath there. Check out the engine bay interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's got a more modern halo style headlight. Nice looking kind of flat black wheel. Matches up with the blue and black interior. So you kind of got a matching exterior interior combo. Beauty ring here does have a few little dingers on it, as you can see. That's got Z28 style rim, I guess you would call it. BF Goodrich radials. Again, interior kind of custom done blue and black combination. There's the automatic shifter on the console, a few aftermarket gauges, and of course the retro sound style radio. We'll check all those out here in just a bit. Played around with the gauges a little earlier. They are working. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There'll be pics of the trunk, interior, again, engine bay undersides, and take a look at the underside of this one. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. FYI, Carfax is not indicating any accidents on this car. 1981 would be 17-digit VIN, so you can run a Carfax on this one. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see that paint shows well all the way around this car. All right, let's poke around the interior a little closer here. Door panels, nice shape. Again, the interior looks awful new too, present. Been around, but the same amount as the paint on it. As you can see, free of rips, tears, holes. Much wear really at all. And check out the headliner. Also showing good. Back seat, and you can check that all out in still pictures too. Easier to see back there in the still pictures. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let it warm up here a little bit. As you can see, working tach here. White-faced gauges. Fuel gauge may not be so accurate. Might want to watch miles that are driven. So when you put gas in the fuel tank. As you can see, retro style radio. That is powered up and working. Oil pressure, water temp, and a voltmeter showing charging. Did test the battery in this one recently. It was good. Might have been a little bit low from sitting. See the dash. All right. We got it warmed up. Got a little cam in that 350. New exhaust system on this car too. When you check out the underside, you're going to see that. Wow, very healthy sounding. All right, I'm going to pause this video a second. I want to pop the hood and check out the engine bay. So take a peek at that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's that 350 Chevy small block. Again, headers, power steering, power brakes, little chrome dress up with the valve cover, air cleaner cover. Tidy looking engine bay, heater hoses hooked up, HEI ignition. Sounds good. And you can check out the engine bay and all the still pictures as well as the rest of this car. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro. At uniqueclassiccars.com, click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.